Howdy folks, it's Brian Spookulators. I'm here at Six Flags Fiesta Texas just for a real quick update. Had a couple of viewers asking if I've been to the park and seen any of the new updates on Kid Flash. So I'm here today to get you those. I was actually at the water park, but we're stopping by and I'll give you some updates. No, it is. This thing is it's small.
Huh?
It's small.
But it is summer 2023.
Yeah, end of summer. They're working on it. Hopefully soon. All right, there's your update. That's all, folks. And there's my wife and daughter over there on the little airplanes. But yeah, the Kid Flash is coming along. I don't see it taking too much longer. I mean, it's a small track, and I believe it started going vertical last Saturday. So, but we're a week into the last Saturday, and it's halfway there. I see it up and ready before Fright Fest, I think. I hope. I got some new Fright Fest lanyards down yonder.